Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar from Solo Marketer here, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to create an exit pop-up on your landing page on system.io, and also what the purpose of one is. So essentially an exit pop-up is something like this. Let me just preview. I'm going to do incognito, and I'm going to let you know in a second why I'm doing that. So it's something like this. Once you go and hover over the tab, it prompts like a message, like a second chance. Let's say it's a sales page that there's like $100 product, and most people will decide, just to leave the page. Let's say 10, only 10% people buy, so the 90% that will go and reach for this tab, you give them like a second chance to like you give them like a 10% coupon or something. And for landing pages like this, it usually works. It's fairly simple. It's just a let's just say like 30 people land on this page. 100 people land on this page, and 30 of them sign up. So the rest, the 70 others that will just go and reach for to close the tab, you kind of prompt this a really similar message and just give them like a second chance. It's like, are you sure? And you might capture a few more leads. So that's a pretty low effort way. And the way you set it up is first, obviously, you go into the page editor of the page that needs the exit pop-up, and then you go to pop-ups here, top left. Let's drag this over here, and you can see here we have a let me just copy the headline. We have a pop-up already created, but let's just create a new one. Let's just delete this one, right? And then let's just add a pop-up. So yeah, here we go. Kind of like the same headline. You're trying to get their attention. Obviously, we can add in the form input, name, email if you need. Let's go back here, first name, and then obviously the usual stuff. You can change the button color, change the text here on the side, and all that stuff, right? So once the form is ready, what you want to do is you want to click on Edit Pop-up Settings. Click over here, and before the exit pop-up stuff, these two things are vital. Always show the X over here. If you can see, I'm going to make a change. You can see I'm turning it off. I'm turning it back on. Have it on. Even if people accidentally hover over the tab and this pops up and they can't close it, they're just going to close the tab. It's going to be confusing, so just always give the option to close. Don't try to trick people. And also open a pop-up automatically. I would leave it off. I don't see a purpose in people land on a page. They need to see the page content. I don't see the purpose of people landing on a page and you immediately shove this in their face before they even get to see what's on the page. So always have this off, like the automatic pop-up. And here's the one that we're interested in. It's open on exit intent. So you want to have it on, but the big thing is it only works for desktop. When it comes to mobile, there's no way for it to track them almost hitting the tab. There's no, like here, you can do it with the pointer and it tracks the pointer, but unless you actually tap the X, there's no way the phone can't tell that you're going to close the tab. So instead, what you can do is you can check this box and you can do a delayed pop-up. You can say this on like regular blog posts as well, from like 30 seconds and something pops up, or if you scroll to a certain portion of the page, like a certain point. So this is kind of similar. As for what kind of how many seconds, do 10, 15, whatever, set it up. The best way to find out is you can do like a split test of like one of the pages does 10 seconds, the other one is 20 seconds. So just go try that out. Just try 15 at the beginning, right? So once that is set up, I think that's obviously go change the text, the color, make sure the button color is the same as the color on the page. And yeah, so let's go save changes. Let's exit, and I'm going to do it in an incognito window. Check it out to test it out, because sometimes if you test it out several times, sometimes it doesn't work. Like it's kind of wonky. So just do incognito and then it's all good. Let's go new incognito window. Let's paste it in. You can see the page, right? Here it is. And hover over, it opens it up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, down below in the comments, like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.